1 cup of mayonnaise. Whatever you want. You can use Blue Plate, you can use Duke's, whatever you like. About a cup, right there. All right, cool. 1 cup of mayo. Red hot chili sauce.
Thank you.
We're gonna be using about a 1/4 cup of the chili sauce. Guys, mix and matches however you like. That's what I'm going with.
Make it hotter.
Gonna go with, and so if you want to put some sriracha in, which I know Jeff does, you can put a splash of sriracha in there for a little bit of heat, which I'm gonna do.
Make it hotter.
I'm hooking up Jeff here. I'm gonna do a little squirty, squirt, squirt. There we go. Boom.